Hello, good afternoon. This is David Sutter talking to you. Today is my free daily signal for Friday, February 28th, 2020. And happy leap year. I just realized that tomorrow is the 29th of February. I didn't really realize this is leap year. But anyhow, the signal I have to share for you is for USDCHF, okay? US dollar versus Swiss franc. And if you see here on the 4-hour chart, we have a strong signal to buy, okay? Now, this signal actually came in a few hours ago, and I wanted to wait a while before I made this video to make sure that this is actually going to go up. Now, if you see here on the 4-hour chart, the signal came in on the last candle, and this current candle, the price is definitely going up, okay? The indicator has not repainted, so that's very, very strong signal. And, you know, looking at the past, we see that we have strong levels of support. This one has broken, okay, come down a little bit lower, but that's okay. Every time it makes a signal to buy, a new signal is a little bit lower than before, okay? So except for right in here, but that's perfectly fine that this one dropped a little bit lower. That just means that the US dollar is a lot weaker, but it's definitely going to rebound, okay? The US dollar always does that. Even if it drops for a while, it'll definitely rebound and come back up. So now is an excellent time to buy. Okay, now what I would caution you on is that technically we're still in a downtrend. Okay, how you can tell is if you come here, I'm going to zoom in a bit on the 4-hour chart. I can even go on a 1-hour chart and kind of show you better. But we have a downtrend right here. Okay, we have a resistance. I'm going to mark the resistance and show you. Okay, like this. Okay. So this is your level of resistance, okay? This is your downtrend. What we're looking for is for this to break, okay? Now you see the price has come up and hit this resistance and it's starting to come back down a bit. So we are not officially in an uptrend, okay? What we're looking for is for about 2 candles to break above, okay? Using a 1-hour chart. You can use a 4-hour chart also and wait for 1 or 2 candles to break above. If on the 4-hour chart, if one candle breaks above and the second continues to go up, I would definitely buy. Okay. Also, what you can do is draw a Fibonacci. Okay. Go here in the toolbar and click the F for Fibonacci, and then go from the last red arrow, draw down to the current blue arrow. Okay, the bottom of this candle here. So the top of this candle, bottom of this candle. All right. And then what we're looking for is for this 23.6 level to break, okay? And what we can do is put a buy stop pin order just a little ways above and a take profit a little below this, okay? That's going to be a safest, probably the safest way you can trade, okay? Now, it looks like this price is going to be coming down. If I go to the 1-hour chart, we see this pretty much the same scenario, right? And it did slightly break, but it did not break this trend line, okay? So what we can do is go to new order and put pin in order, and then put buy stop, and then for the at price here, I'm going to choose, there's a tick mark right here already, so I'm going to use that tick mark, and that says 0.96740, okay? And for take profit, I'm going to use this tick mark right here since it's a little bit below this 38.2 level, and I'm going to put it at 0.96950. Okay, and I'm going to place that, and we're done. Okay, now I feel that this will probably drop again, and then it's going to break. Eventually, it's going to break, and you know it might take a few hours, obviously. But eventually it's going to break and come back up to this level. All right. I do not know how far it's going to go up. The US dollar has been weak lately, so you can definitely watch this go up probably to 61.8 level, and then it's going to come back down. If this 38.2 breaks, you could put another buy stop here and take profit here, okay? And then put a buy stop here and take profit here as well. 3 different levels if you want, okay? Now, for me, this is plenty right here. Get in, get out. This will probably take you a few hours to close the trade, at least you don't have to deal with swap fees, okay? You don't have to worry about the trade being held overnight, and that'll probably be the safest way to trade, I think. Okay, so anyhow, let me know if you have any questions at all about how to trade this signal or any of my other Telegram signals I post every day. If you have not joined my Telegram signal group, please hit me up on Facebook. There is a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook. You can contact me there. Also, there is a link for my private Facebook group, and you can join my Facebook group and post any questions or comments in my Facebook group, okay? So with that said, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Let me know if there's anything at all I can do to assist you. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.